Hello everybody and welcome back to iDevice support. Today I'm going to show you how to force restart an unresponsive iOS device. Now this is specifically for iPhone 10 and newer, so any iPhone without a home button or a notch. So what you want to do is you want to rapidly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button until the phone shuts off. And then once the phone restarts, it will prompt you for your passcode. And once you type that in, you should be good to go. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in the next video. So what you want to do is you want to hit the power up button. No. So what you want to do is you want to rapidly press the power up button, then press the power down button, and then press and hold, no, not power button, what am I saying?